Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a tutorial on this eye look right here. I feel like these colors are like screaming fall to me right now because that is like all I'm caring about right now. It's like 61 degrees outside and it's like the best thing ever. Alright guys, so if you want to see how I got this look right here, just keep watching. Okay, so I've already primed my eye with the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus eyeshadow primer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the Molten Gold shade, and I'm just going to use my fingertip and I'm going to just run that all over my lid. Alright, so I'm also going to just press some of that into the inner corner of my eye. I'm just going to bring it a little bit under, like where my tear duct is on the bottom. Alright, so next I'm going to take my Cala 415 brush, and in the Jaclyn and Morphe Bling Boss palette, I'm going to grab some of the shade Hush Hush, which is that one right there, and I'm just going to use that one as my transition shade. And I'm also going to run that one underneath of my eye. Alright, so then now I'm just going to switch brushes over to my Morphe M330, and I'm going to pick up a mixture of the shades Rockstar and Sparks in the Bling Boss palette, that's Rockstar, and then that one is Sparks, and I'm just going to like tap into them and kind of like mix them into kind of this more like wine color. And I'm tapping off any extra just because I don't want any of the eyeshadow to fall down onto my foundation that I've already laid down. You can do this before you do like the rest of your face makeup, by the way. I just didn't today. I'm just gonna run this all in my crease here. Alright, and then just switching brushes over to my Morphe M506. I'm going to pick up more of like the combination of Rockstar and Sparks, and I'm just going to run that underneath of my eye. And then just making sure to tie in this like upper area into the lower. Alright, and then again, just switching brushes over to the Japanese 230, and I'm going to again pick up another mixture of Rockstar and Sparks. And then I'm going to just tap that along the outer half of my eyelid here. And I'm kind of tapping it and pressing it onto my lid, just because I feel like it makes it blend a little bit easier. And then just making sure to tie that color into the crease area here. Alright, and then just again switching back to my Morphe M506 brush, I'm going to pick up the shade Mystic from the Bling Boss palette, and that is that one right there. Just a really, really deep purple color. And I'm going to lay that one down onto the outer corner, like kind of on the outer corner of my lid, but then I'm also going to kind of like run it into the crease area. And again, just patting it onto my skin. And make sure definitely to tap your brush before going in with this one, because you definitely don't want this dark color mixing in with the rest of your makeup. I'm just going to build that shade up until it is the darkness that I want it to be. Alright, and then taking my Morphe MB47 little flat top brush right here, I'm going to grab more of that Mystic shade, and I'm going to press that right along my lower lash line here. And then just making sure to tie what's on top into the bottom right here. So I'm just patting that all the way across my lower lash line here. Alright, and then just taking my M506 brush again, I'm going to grab just Sparks, which is the red color, that one right there. And I'm just going to run that right along this lower lash line here just to help blend out that Mystic color and to kind of bring all this back to the kind of more like red wine color instead of like purple. And then again, switching brushes back to my M330, I'm going to take that Sparks color and then do the same thing but up here into my crease. Alright, and then again on my Cala 415, I'm going to pick up Hush Hush again, which was that transition color that we used, and I'm going to use that to blend everything out here. so now, because I do feel like some of the purple has kind of overlapped this gold and it's just kind of muddied it up a little bit, I am going to go back in with that Master Chrome highlighter and just pat a little bit more over this like inner half of my lid here, just where the gold originally was, just to kind of touch that back up and bring it back a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Morphe E24 brush, which is just this little guy right here, and I'm going to spritz it with the Coconut Rose face mist from Pearlescence. You can use whatever face mist that you want. I just need the bristles to be damp. And then I'm going to take this Jaclyn and Morphe palette. It's not the like original, because there was like an older one that I never got. It was before I even knew Jaclyn Hill, but I'm gonna take this one and I'm going to grab a mixture of the shades in Light and Beam, which is just the two lightest shades right here. So I'm just gonna tap into both of those, and I'm going to press over this inner corner where I put that highlighter down, just because I want it to be a little bit brighter than what it is right now. I'm also going to run it under where my tear duct is. And then I'm also going to put that on my brow bone right here. Being really careful not to get it into my brow hairs or to bring it down too much onto the purple eyeshadow. Alright, so now I'm going to throw on my Maybelline Mega Plush Mascara and my other Salon Perfect 614 lash, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the finished look right here. I also wanted to just let you know that I threw on some of the Jordana Lip Out Loud lip gloss in the shade TTYL. So that is what is on my lips right now. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button down below and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. As I always do, the products that I use, the brushes that I use, my social, all of that good stuff is always listed down below in the description box. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!